Be honest, how many times have you searched for a file you know exists, and Windows just sits there, loading, thinking, then suddenly no results found? Or even worse, it shows Bing web results instead of your own files. If Windows search drives you crazy, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you one free app that every Windows PC should have installed. It finds any file on your computer instantly, no waiting, no guessing. This app is called Everything Search. Watch this. When I start typing, the results appear instantly. No loading bar, no waiting. On this PC alone, there are over 500,000 files indexed, and results show up as fast as I press the keys. It even finds files buried deep inside system folders, files that Windows Search usually misses. So why is Everything Search so fast? Because Windows Search tries to be too smart. It scans content, reads metadata, and tries to guess what you want. Everything Search does the opposite. It simply reads the NTFS master file table. That means it knows every file name instantly, with almost zero CPU usage and very little RAM. You can download it for free from voidtools.com. And here's a pro tip. Don't stop at the stable version. Go to the In Development section and download Everything 1.5 Alpha. It's been tested for years and adds powerful features like dark mode, tabs, and better filters. Let's start simple. With Everything Search, there's nothing to configure. Just start typing a file name, documents, videos, images, or folders, and results appear instantly. No enter key, no loading bar. This is where it already beats Windows Search. Even if you can't remember the full file name, as long as you remember part of it, Everything will find it. For example, if you're looking for your BitLocker drive encryption recovery key, you don't need to type the full name. Just type recovery key, and Everything finds it instantly. Filtering by file type. If you only want documents, images, or executables, just type the file extension anywhere in the search. You can also use the built-in filters to quickly switch between documents, images, or videos. You can search for multiple file types at once. Just use the vertical bar symbol, which means OR. This is perfect when you're not sure how a file was saved. By default, Everything uses AND logic. That means if you type two words, the file name must include both of them. What if you only remember how a file starts or ends? That's where wildcards come in. Use the asterisk symbol to fill in the blanks. This is a lifesaver when you remember part of the name, but not the whole thing. Now let's clean up the noise. Use an exclamation mark to exclude anything you don't want. This is perfect when you're searching for a file, but don't want to see system files or folders. This is one of my favorite features. You can instantly find files that are eating up your storage. Sort by size, and you'll quickly spot duplicates, large videos, or old installers sitting in your downloads folder. You can also search by date. This is perfect if you remember when you worked on a file, even if you forgot the name. You can search by today, this week, this year, or even the last 10 minutes. You can sort results instantly by name, size, date modified, or full path. You can even limit your search to a specific folder just by typing the folder path followed by your search term. This instantly narrows the results without clicking through folders. Here's a feature most people never notice. Everything has an index journal. It records file creations, renames, and deletions on your PC. If a file suddenly disappears, you can scroll back and see exactly what happened. The fastest way to use Everything is with a keyboard shortcut. Set a shortcut for Show window. I use Alt plus space. Now, no matter what I'm doing, I press the keys. The search pops up, I find my file, and I'm back to work in seconds. If you value your time, this app is a must-have. It turns a 5-minute search into half a second. It's free, lightweight, and the first thing I install on every new PC. If this helped you, hit like, comment below with the one app you can't live without, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tech fixes.